Hey guys, what's up? It's the Impeccable Investor here, and because of recent questions that I've got about support and resistance, I thought it'd be best to make a video over what is support, what is resistance, and how it can help you when trading and investing. So for what we're doing here, blue will mean support and pink reddish will mean resistance. All right. So support is where price tends to bottom out at. Now, what does that mean? It means where price of a stock tends to reverse at. So what you can see here, so if I draw this blue line here indicating support, you can see here that when it hits this area of around $6.50, it tends to bounce back up to the upside. You can see here, bounce, bounce, bounce. And then this was a failed break of support, which we will discuss after we discuss support and resistance here. So this is known as support. Support is where a level is supporting the stock price. You can see here it comes down, stock price gets supported, and then it gets pushed up. Price comes down, stock gets supported, and it comes back up. How do you identify these levels? It's really easy to. You'll start to see a tendency of where a stock tends to bounce at. And when you see it happening once, you know that this is a support level. When it happens twice, you know it's a super strong support level. So coming back down to this one, you would have known we've had support here because of not only one, not only two, but then we would have known that this is forming the third bounce. So now let's go into what exactly resistance is. So if we go into resistance here, you can see that we tend to top out at this. So resistance is the opposite as support. So support is where a stock bounces, while resistance is going to be where a stock turns around at. If you can see here at this price level of $9, that's where the stock got rejected the first time, it got rejected a second, third, fourth time, meaning that when price comes up here, it reverses. Price comes up here, it reverses. Price comes up here, and it reverses to the downside. So support and resistance are crucial to understanding where you should be buying and where you should be selling if you're looking at resistance. So as you can see here, if we go out a bit, I go on yellow here just to give you a better perspective. See, so this is our trading zone. We know that support and resistance gives us safe spots to buy at, and it gives us an indication of where we can end up selling these shares at. So this is our profit margin. All the way up here, buying here and selling here, that is our profit margin. So if you want to lower your risk, you want to buy closer to here because this is your risk. However, this is your profit. So you want to make sure that you have more profit and less risk. That's how this whole thing is set up. So support and resistance basically just shows you where a price is going to bounce and where it's going to be supported at. Now, how you use this as a trader is you're going to look at a way to catch the bounce, where you want to catch it right here, wait for that reversal, buy, and go up. Now, how to use this as an investor? Well, two ways of using this. One, if you don't have a position in the stock yet, well, then you want to buy near these levels of support. I discussed that in the last Sunday stock talk of the 3 top stocks to buy. It's because they're coming down to their support. It's going to be the best area to buy. So it's the same thing as an investor. Also, if you already own shares as an investor and you're looking to add more to your position, then you're going to wait until it gets closer to these areas because you know that's the best place, the safest place to buy the stock at. All right, guys, this is a simple understanding of support and resistance. Support being where more demand comes in for the stock, aka bouncing, and resistance is where more supply comes into the stock, aka where it gets rejected. All right, guys, this is understanding simple support and resistance. If you want more videos over day trading and investing, please hit that subscribe button and hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. All right, guys, see you in the next video.